Hi, I'm Dylan, welcome to the channel. Consider subscribing if you're looking at ways to make money online. In today's video, we're going to be talking about evolving your thinking towards your finances. How we make and work with our finances have changed over the years. Surely what has worked a decade ago can be made more effective today. Will you take advantage and thrive, or will you stagnate and struggle? The decision is yours. Deep down, there are only two factors behind every single decision we take when it comes to money: security and freedom. People who value security tend to choose to work the same job for very long, and they feel happy as long as they can provide a secure future for their families. People who value freedom more tend to do whatever it takes to own their time, choosing to start their own businesses, freelance or work from home. That worked perfectly fine, because people who valued security used to get taken care of by the government and the corporations they worked for. Back then you could just work the same job until you retired, and while you would have probably lived an unfulfilled life, unless you truly loved your job, you were still at risk of going through financial hardship. Too many people are not able to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. It used to be true that having a university degree guaranteed you would have a good job for life. And it used to be true that retirement funds were enough to cover your expenses after you retired. This, however, is not true anymore. The old ways aren't dying. They are already dead. Take a look around. How many people do you know of who can't retire because they couldn't make ends meet? How many have been retrenched and are struggling to find a job? How many college graduates do you know that aren't getting anything out of their expensive college degrees? Things have changed. And people who value security must wake up to the fact that there is no longer any security in society's laid out path. So, whether you value security over freedom, or freedom over security, it is no longer a choice. If you wish to have either of them, or to provide them to your family, you must get moving. You must adapt, because those that choose to adapt will thrive. And those who are choosing to stagnate are struggling. Don't you think that there are too many people struggling as it is? Most people are still doing things the old way. They're still following the old customs, and they're still letting what used to be true guide their decisions now. The fact that you're watching this video means that you are well positioned to thrive. If you are ready to adapt to this new economy and start doing something to give yourself and your family the freedom and security the old ways will no longer provide, then click on the link below. I'll see you on the other side.